I don't have any eggs. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been MIA. I hurt my back, so that's why I didn't post any video last week. I'm so sorry for that. I haven't I just started posting on Instagram like a few days ago because I was basically unable to move because of the pain. But I'm back. I'm not 100% pain free, but it's I can walk at least. So that's why I'm doing this video. And before I start, remember guys, I'm not a medical doctor. I'm not a health professional. Please, if you wanna follow my recipes, my recreations, my workouts, please consult with your doctor first. Like you saw in the title, today's grocery haul type of video. I like doing this type of videos. You guys like it. So basically everything I bought it at Walmart. Obviously I did the delivery because like I said, I was in extreme pain because of my back. So it's not particular order. Most of the stuff are for recipes that I already have line it for the next few days, and only 4 things I bought just for snacks and for my husband. So let's start for the 4 things that it's not like for a specific recipe. So first, this baby over here, I'm obsessed with this cheese. This is cottage cheese. I haven't found like cottage cheese with the whole milk. This is only 4%. I don't know if this is the highest fat content on this. Basically 6 carbs. I know, but you guys, I'm assuming that right now, you know, this channel is low carb with a mix of keto or keto twist. So I'm not as strict on that. So if you're strict, you can just avoid this cheese, but I like it. The Parmesan cheese. I like to buy the cheese the block and shredder here, but I cannot find the block of Parmesan, so that's why I bought this one. My Swiss cheese, same thing. They didn't have any in stock, so I bought this one. And Ritz Cracker, I like them a lot, so I buy them, but my husband loves them, so that's why I decided this time to buy the party size. That way we don't run out of it as quick as the last few times. So next, like I said, these 4 things are not for any recipes. The items that I'm gonna show you now, they are. So let's start with these scallops. I'm gonna be recording some of the recipes that I'm gonna be doing these next few days, so stay tuned for that. Like I said, these are scallops, a bag of yellow onions, codfish. I'm looking forward to this one because this one is with bacon, the recipe, and I already have bacon, so that's why I didn't buy any more. But this one is gonna be wrapped in bacon, so I'm looking forward to that. Trust me. Asparagus. The recipe called for asparagus. I don't buy the fresh ones because I don't use them a lot, so they get spoiled in the fridge. So that's why I like them to buy it frozen, as well as kale. This one is for the Zuppa Tuscany or Italian soup. I think this one is the one that I'm gonna be doing tomorrow. So that one I'm gonna record, so stay tuned for that. Spinach fresh, because this you cook and they like shrink, like maybe like a dime size portion. Also beef broth. I have broth here, but it's chicken broth, and I needed this for another recipe. This is for the Italian soup or Zuppa Toscana, radish. Let's see how it goes with this. It's not, I'm doing it again, but with potatoes. This is a bacon piece. The recipe called for bacon bits, but bacon bits I didn't found, or I don't know if they come like regular bacon. The bits that I saw was artificial, so no artificial stuffing here, at least with the bacon. This is the ranch dry seasoning. I have a recipe to do the ranch here at home, but I'm not sure if I have all the spices, so that's why I bought the pack. Some lemons, staple. If you're doing low carb or keto, you have to have heavy whipping cream. I have some in the fridge, but it's not gonna be enough for all the recipes that I'm gonna be doing they call for heavy whipping cream. Golden pepperoncini. Never tried this. It's gonna be my first time. I'm gonna do it with the chuck butt roast, and let's see how it goes. But I never tried this before. Let's see. Some butter, because I have butter. I realize that I have butter there, but hey, you can never have enough butter. Some butter, and last but not least, the Italian sausage. This is for the Suppa Toscana. It called for Italian sausage. So this is the one that I'm gonna be doing with the kale, heavy cream, and I don't remember. Oh, the radish. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing this one, I think, tomorrow, and I'm gonna be recording it. I'll maybe post a bonus video this week. I'm not sure, not promises. If you don't see it by the end of the week, it's gonna be up next week. So yeah, basically this is my shopping grocery store haul delivery edition. Oh, I'm pretty mad with myself because they didn't have the specific eggs that I wanted. I wanted a cage-free organic eggs, and instead of choosing which substitution I allow, I selected no substitution, so I don't have any eggs. And also I ordered a dip, but that dip it was just I was having cravings. Spinach artichoke or queso dip. They didn't have any. I didn't choose a substitution. I chose no substitution, so that was my bad. But yeah, basically this is in my haul for this week. Hopefully guys you like this video. Remember, sharing is caring, and be kind to yourself. See you next time. Bye bye.